raspberry chocolate chip cookies.
Let's see what's cooking. It's time for yoyomax12.
Hello everyone, starting off with 1 cup of butter that's been brought to room temperature, half a cup of brown sugar, half a cup of white sugar. Cream those things together, and then you're going to add 1 large 5.1 ounce box of instant vanilla pudding mix. I used the small boxes, so I put 2 of them in there, which is a little bit more than 5 ounces, but it still worked out really well. 2 boxes of those 4 serving size puddings, then 2 eggs, and then I added in a teaspoon of baking soda, as well as a teaspoon of vanilla, and then you blend in 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Once the flour is blended in, add in a cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips and 1 cup of fresh raspberries. Now these are very small. They come from my mother's garden. They're quite small, but if you use some store-bought raspberries, they may be quite large, and you might want to cut them in half first, but that's up to you. Gently fold them in. The raspberries are going to break up. There's no way to avoid that. Just do it as gently as you can so that you do have some chunks of raspberry left when you scoop them onto your cookie sheet. Now what I did is to add some extra interest. I had some extra raspberries left over, so I just took some of these raspberries and pressed them into the tops of the cookies. These don't spread very much, so you only need about an inch and a half in between each cookie. Once again, if your raspberries are very large, you might want to cut them in pieces and put some pieces on top of the cookies. Then you're going to bake these at 350 degrees for about 10 to 14 minutes. I find it takes a little longer when you use an insulated cookie sheet and a silicone mat like I am. And here they are. As you can see, they don't change shape very much. There's one without raspberries pressed on the top. You still can see the raspberry in there regardless. And they're nice and soft inside, and they're really, really good. Lovely raspberry flavor, and of course, raspberry and chocolate are just meant to be together. Hope you give these ones a try. Well, I haven't made a top 10 video of all my most favorite cookie recipes yet, and I probably will someday, but this would be in the top 5. These are Nutella stuffed chocolate chip cookies. Check it out.